Hi, this is Isaac from Compositional IT. In this short screencast, I'm going to show you a preview of integrated client-server debugging in Visual Studio Code for a SafeStack application. On the left-hand pane, I've got the client file open. This is an F# file that's going to be transpiled into JavaScript through Fable. It uses the standard Elmish MVU pattern. On the right-hand side, I've got the server open, a Saturn web app. Here's a simple counter application. When I press the plus or minus buttons, the counter value will increment or decrement. Here I'm hitting the plus button, and you'll see a client-side breakpoint being hit in our F# code. This works via a source map and through Code's Chrome debugging extension. Notice how I can view the call stack as well as local variables. I'm now going to hit the reload button in the app, which is going to fire an update message to the server. Notice how we seamlessly now switch to debugging the server within the same IDE. I can view the call stack and variables from the .NET Core application. Once I leave the server, we're going to hit another breakpoint on the client, and now the application round trip has been completed. Thanks for watching.